Let us continue with today's class. Last class we have studied about line and a plane. Plane it's a surface plane. Surface extended to all the directions. All directions plane. Okay. Plane next we have studied about line. What is line? Dimensionless. What is dimensionless? Has no shape, has no size. Shape or size line. Okay. And line has no finite length. Length measure isn't it? Next we are moving to line segment. What is meant by line segment? Part of a line with two endpoints. Two endpoints line in the part line segment. How to read this one? The teacher has drawn a line segment and that the teacher is meaning and the cut the part endpoints specify teacher A B. Okay. Name is given using capital letters. Why? Because points are noted by capital letters. But lines are represented by small letters. Isn't it? So, capital letters because this is a point, this is a point. Starting point, ending point. How to read this one? Line segment AB. How to write line? Always you need to write line segment AB? No, not required. Why? Because AB is this sleeping line or BA for a small sleeping line. See, both are same. Why? AB and BA representing same line segment. Why? It has finite length. Finite and fixed length. AB line segment, BA line segment same. Okay, let us move to the next one called. So, ray. What is meant by a ray? Part of a line with one endpoint. Previous case, we have considered part of a line with two endpoints. Now, we are considering part of a line with one endpoint. See, teacher has drawn a small ray. Starting from A. A is an endpoint. That is denoted. And the ray is extending to the right side up to B. We don't know. But we are just representing them on a surface. Okay. We can't draw a line on the surface. Line namukku varaikkan kazhiyilla. But what can we do? We can represent it on a surface. Namukku represent cheyan kazhiyum. We can't draw the same. But is AB ennulla ray varichu kazhiyum. AB is a ray we have finished actually. And the meaning is the ray starts from A. A il ninnu start cheythu extending towards B. അപ്പോൾ ടീച്ചർ അതിനെ ഡിനോട്ട് നമുക്ക് സിമ്പൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് എ ബി അത് ഈ റേ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വരച്ചത് അതേ ഡയറക്ഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഇത് കാണുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യു ക്യാൻ സീ ദാറ്റ് ദ റേ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്സ് ഫ്രം എ ആൻഡ് എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ടുവേർഡ്സ് ബി. നൗ മൈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് റേ എ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു റേ ബി എ? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മൈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഈസ് റേ എ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു റേ ബി എ? ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് ഓക്കെ? The meaning is starts from A towards B, it's moving. This meaning is BA, ray BA meaning, the meaning of ray BA is the ray starts from B and extending towards A. Arrow mark A side. Are they equal? Rendu same aano? No, according to our figure, it starts from A. A is the end point. It is not equal to ray AB not equal to ray BA. That is our result. Okay. Previous case AB equal to BA and line segment AB, line segment BA equal. But in case of ray AB not equal to ray B. Next we are moving to collinear and non-collinear points. Collinear and non-collinear. Word noku collinear, collinear. Okay, collinear. What is meant by linear? Line related with the line. So collinear meaning points on the same line. Okay, points on the same line. Or we can write in sentence wise, three or more points lie on the same line are called collinear points. Are called collinear points. For example, the teacher has drawn a line L. The line L teacher and teacher has taken 4 points on it. A, B, C, D അല്ലേ 4 points are on the line തന്നെയാണ്. Okay, are points on the line. So they are called collinear points. Get the idea and you can skip. Okay, clear? What is meant by collinear? The points on the same line. So A, B, C, D are collinear. See, here there is a line L teacher has drawn and teacher has selected some points. Some on the line and some are outside the line. A and C are on the line. B and C are outside the line. Not on the line. What can we call these points? Are they collinear? No. The 4 points, some of them are lying on the line and some of them are not on the line. So they are called non-collinear points. Some of the points are not on the line. Not on the line. Such points are called non-collinear points. Such points are called non-collinear points. Such points are called non-collinear points. All of you got the idea? Here in this figure, some of the points are on the line. Some of them are outside or not on the line. That's why they are called non-collinear points. All of you got the idea? Let us move to some other. Next we are moving to pair of lines. Up to this time we have taken a single line. Then part of a line, one is called line segment. Another part one is known as ray. Then what you have said it? Concurrent collinear points. Sorry, not concurrent. Collinear points and non-collinear points, etc. All these things are based on a single line. One line case. Now we are moving to pair of lines. Pair no lines are 2. One pair means 2 lines. Now we are moving to the case of 2 lines at a time. And what are the possibilities that arises if you draw 2 lines on a surface? നിങ്ങൾ 2 lines സർഫസിൽ വരച്ചു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ only there are 2 possibilities. The first possibility is sometimes the lines will meet at a common point or sometimes they never meet. Okay, sometimes they meet at a common point and such lines are called intersecting lines. If the 2 lines meet at a point, that is ടീച്ചറുടെ കയ്യിൽ 2 lines ആണ്. One is known as L and other one is known as M. By drawing L and M, the lines are meeting at a common point. Any point you can take capital letter O. When teacher drawn 2 lines L and M, we can see that the 2 lines meet at a common point. A common point, if it is happens, the lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, if 2 lines meet at a common point, then lines are called intersecting lines. What will you call the point? The point is called, which one? Point of intersection. Point of intersection. Okay, when 2 lines meet at a point, lines are called intersecting lines. So point is called point of intersection. Here intersecting lines are L and M. Point of intersection O. O is the point of intersection. Okay, let us move to the second case. Next we are moving to concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. What is the word meaning concurrent? Or co means single the word. Co word meaning single. Concurrent lines. What lines? What is meant by concurrency? In lines which passes through a common point. Lines which passes through a common point is called concurrent lines. Teacher figure first നോക്കൂ. Teacher ഇവിടെ 3 lines ആണ് and the 3 lines are passing through O ആണ്. Are passing through O ആണ്. Such lines are called concurrent lines. Teacher ഇവിടെ lines ഉണ്ട്. There are 3 lines ഉണ്ട്. But all the 3 lines are intersecting at a common point. First 2 lines N M intersect ചെയ്യുന്ന point ഇവിടെയും അടുത്ത point of intersection ഇവിടെയാണ്. Okay, can you call this as concurrent lines? Can you call? No, this is not point concurrency. Okay, this is not concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means line which passes through a common point ആണ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ this is not possible for us അല്ലേ, അത് പോസിബിൾ അല്ല. And the point is known as point of concurrency. Point is called point of concurrency. Point of intersection എന്ന് പഠിച്ചില്ലേ previously. Similarly here point of concurrency. Point of concurrency. Is it clear to all of you? Point of concurrency.